These.
你的
My. Your.
鼻子
What?
your
These.
nose
Oh, no.
对鼻子
I don't know what.
鼻
I haven't.
子
These. Oh, is that the simplified character?
yeah
Simply. Okay. These.
鼻子
These. These. These.
nose 鼻子
Oh. Wait. How do I memorize this character?
鼻子on the top of the 鼻字字 this one 字 and under the 字 is 甜盐
Oh.
甜 it's this one and under the 甜 is 一 under the 一 is running nose
Oh.
this word 字 means self
Down.
S-E-L-F
Oh.
when you here means
Self. Okay.
自己 myself
Oh.
okay 甜
Jen.
甜 you know what's the meaning 甜
Rice field. Is it?
field
Field.
一 I know you know this word
E.
E means number
E.
one
1. The only character I know by heart.
difficult right
Son.
yeah 1 2 3
Son.
is it difficult of B the word of B is difficult right
A bit, yeah, because the words, the characters become smaller. Do you see that? So I couldn't almost see what they're made of.
so now is it clear
Oh yeah, it's so clear.
I know you know this
Good.
you know this word right
Yeah, of course. It means you, right?
yeah 好你的鼻子 means your nose your nose
Meat. Oh wait. Oh, it's what's written here on that songbook. Is that a songbook or a bond paper?
yeah, beside the words which I take for you you see the yeah
Yeah.
你
Is
的
that a folder or a book? Is that a book?
yeah it's a book which is written by myself
Really? You've read in a book? Wow. That's. I think that.
I think I have sold you last time
Showed me. Really? I forgot about it.
can you see
Oh no! This is the first time you've shown it to me.
maybe
Really?
I don't show you in
Oh yeah, maybe.
mm.
That's amazing because not very many can do that. I mean, the publishing cost.
Oh, in Philippines,
So did it?
it's very expensive.
Yes.
In Philippines, it's very expensive.
No.
You don't know?
It's hard to be a writer here in the Philippines. It's hard.
Oh.
How about there? Did the books sold well? Did the book sell well?
I just show to my students.
Oh, but
Because
maybe you could. Yes, please
they
continue.
have to buy outside. Maybe it's more expensive. So I publish more. and then if they want, I can buy for them.
Oh, so you give out your books for free?
Because some parents introduce me a new student, so I give them for free.
Oh, that's
If they
great.
want to buy it, also okay.
I hope. I think some students bought your books. Is that right?
Yeah.
That's good.
Because they can pass the exam in other countries. Center. It's for them to pass the exam, get the certificate.
That's helpful, really.
Of course, I will not be the examiner of them.
Oh, because it's unfair.
Yeah. They go to the center, and other teacher will check if they can meet the standard.
So they passed, I think.
Yeah.
That's good. That's great to know.
你的 you know that 你的 means your.
Your, yeah.
You
That's one of the few things I know.
你 means 你 means you.
You.
Yeah. 我呢我 you know what's that?
Yeah, me.
Yeah.
Or
我 means me or means I.
yeah.
我的
Sometimes
you know 我.
我的. My.
Yeah, good. How about 他?
She or he?
Yeah, good. 他的 you know that?
他的, her or his.
他 and also it. 他
I think, is that there? Oh, there are three. I thought there were only two.
他 means what?
He, she, it. Is that the first one? It.
Means it. Yeah, it
Mm.
and he and she.
But I think they have the same pronunciation but different spelling,
Yeah,
right?
good. Have the same pronunciation. If you add the behind ta, you know what I mean? You add
Oh yeah. I think the one beside the ta with a girl and a boy, it's different. The one is like
yeah.
this,
Man
and
is
then the other.
this. If the girl like that, if I add the behind ta, you know what's the meaning?
I don't know. My, his, her,
You can try.
hers,
Not difficult.
it.
Because I take here. You see? 你的 your 我的 mine 他的 you can guess.
他的. His, hers.
Yeah. You're right. Her.
Thank you for reviewing me on this because these are the few ones that I actually know.
You know 你好.
Yeah. But I think you don't usually say them, right? Like it's only for strangers that you know for the first time.
No. You can say 你好 to everybody. You can say 你好 to everybody. Not just strangers.
Oh yeah, but I watched one video and then they said that ni hao is only for people you don't know, and then they use some other expression to say hello to people they know already. Like I'm not sure. Please continue.
You can say 你好 again and again to one person. Stranger. Today I did how to you. I forget.
I don't remember. Sorry.
I said hello Nami. That means 你好. 你好 Nami.
Oh. But I think they also use hi, hi, and
Hi,
then
hi.
hello, hello. They use hello, hi, and they use that two things, two words often.
你好 hi. And in the morning we say 早.
早.
Yeah.
Mm.
早. This one. 早
Yeah.
means morning. Morning. Because there's a sun. See?
Yeah, I was about to say that. Oh my gosh.
A sun
Sun.
in the sky,
And
and
then
then do exercise like this.
exercise.
We stand there, do exercise. Get out.
Mm.
Okay. 早.
Wow.
In the afternoon, 下午好. 下午. 喝熬好. 下午好. Good afternoon.
下午好. Okay.
早上下午. When you go to sleep, go to bed, you say 晚安. 晚安. 安. Good night. 晚安. Good night.
Sorry, wait. Could you pause for a second? I'll just take a screenshot of it. How do you do this? Yeah, I'll just take a screenshot of it. Print screen. How do you do this? Sorry about that.
Don't know how to capture this screen.
Yeah, I'm just sometimes how do you say the other tools show, so I'm just doing a full screen. Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
I think we have gone. We have You have taught me for 20 minutes already.
So fast.
Yeah, I know. I think because we haven't seen each other for a long time that we talked a bit about our lives, then proceeded to. But it's okay. It's a good refresher because I haven't reviewed. So thank you.
I taught you what I have taught you. Can you remember what I have taught you?
10. Which is field, and then E, which is one, and then what is that? Sorry, 弟子.
鼻子 yeah,
鼻
鼻子.
子. And then the characters, I mean the radicals are many. One is I forgot the first one, and then 字, E, and then this one, number 8.
Number 8, 鼻子 running nose.
Yeah, that's right.
You remember the 鼻 and 你的我的他的 remember that?
Yeah, I remember that.
Okay.
So actually, it's my first time to know the corresponding character for it.
Oh. 他
But I already know that ta for she and he. I just don't know ta for it.
Okay.
The character. So thank you very much, Vicky, for today.